If you're driving your car every day and you're not paying attention to these 4 things, you could be slowly destroying your engine without even knowing it. And the worst part? Most of these mistakes are very simple to avoid, but very expensive to fix.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you understand your car better and avoid unnecessary expenses.
1. Ignoring oil change. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes, ignoring oil changes. Your engine oil plays a very important role. It lubricates all the moving parts inside your engine, reduces friction, and helps control heat. But over time, oil doesn't stay the same. It gets dirty, it breaks down, and it loses its ability to protect your engine. When you delay your oil change, either the oil becomes thick and contaminated, or it can no longer lubricate properly. Internal engine parts begin to wear faster. You may not notice it immediately, but slowly, your engine is getting damaged. In some cases, it leads to sludge buildup, which can block oil passages and cause serious engine failure. Simple advice: always change your oil at the recommended interval. Don't wait until your engine starts making noise. That's already too loud. 2. Overheating the engine. Now let's talk about something even more dangerous: engine overheating. Overheating can destroy an engine in a very short time. When your engine gets too hot, metal parts expand beyond their limits. The cylinder head can warp, and once that happens, you're looking at a very expensive repair. Some common causes of overheating include: the head gasket can fail, and once that happens, you're looking at a very expensive repair. Some common causes of overheating include: a low coolant level, or a faulty radiator, or a bad thermostat, or even a leaking hose. Many drivers ignore the temperature gauge, and that's a big mistake. If you ever notice your temperature rising above normal, a steam coming from the engine, stop immediately. Don't try to manage it or keep driving. That decision alone can save your engine. 3. Dirty air filter. Next is something simple, but very important: a dirty air filter. Your engine needs a proper mixture of air and fuel to run efficiently. But when your air filter is dirty, a combustion becomes inefficient. The engine starts to struggle. This can lead to a reduced power, a poor fuel economy, or in some cases, black smoke. And the funny thing is, many people ignore this because the air filter looks like a small part, but it has a big impact on performance. The good news? It's one of the cheapest and easiest things to fix. Just check it regularly and replace it when it's dirty. 4. Bad spark plugs. Finally, let's talk about bad spark plugs. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the fuel-air mixture inside your engine. When they are working properly, your engine runs smoothly. But when they go bad, the engine begins to misfire. A performance drops. You might notice a rough idling, a difficulty starting the car, or increased fuel consumption. If ignored for too long, it can even damage other engine components. Simple advice: don't ignore signs of misfire, and always replace your spark plugs at the recommended time. So there you have it: 4 common mistakes that can damage your engine: or ignoring oil change, or overheating the engine, or using a dirty air filter, or driving with bad spark plugs. These are simple things, but they make a big difference. If you take care of them, your engine will last longer, perform better, and save you a lot of money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. And if you have any questions about your car, drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.